Today we will talk about the genesis of lexicography, the appearance of the first dictionary in Indonesia. The inception of dictionaries in Indonesia can be traced back to the 17th century when the archipelago was a melting pot of diverse cultures and languages. The first dictionary to emerge in Indonesia marked a significant milestone in linguistic exploration and cultural documentation. In the early 16,000s, during the colonial period, the Dutch East India Company (VOC) established its presence in Indonesia archipelago. This era of colonialism witnessed an increased interaction between European colonizers and the local communities, necessitating tools to bridge linguistic gaps. The pioneering effort in compiling the first dictionary in Indonesia is a tribute to Albert Cornelius Ruel, a VOC official. In 1701, Ruel authored Malgroot Malays, Nederduits, and Nederduits Malgroot Woordenboek, or we called the Great Malay Dutch and Dutch Malay Dictionary, a comprehensive lexicon aimed at facilitating communication between Dutch officials and the local Malay-speaking population. Ruel's dictionary was a bilingual endeavor featuring both Malay and Dutch languages. This reflected the practical need for effective communication between the European colonizer and the indigenous people. Ruel's approach involved meticulous file work, engaging with local communities and to understand the nuance of Malay language usage. The dictionary encompassed everyday vocabulary, idioms, and expressions, making it a valuable linguistic research. Beyond linguistic utility, Ruel's dictionary holds cultural significance. It captured the linguistic diversity of the region, providing a snapshot of the linguistic landscape during a pivotal period of cultural convergence. Beyond linguistic utility, Ruel's dictionary holds cultural significance. It captured the linguistic diversity of the region, providing a snapshot of the linguistic landscape during a pivotal period of cultural convergence. Ruel's pioneering work laid the foundation for future lexicographers and language studies in Indonesia. Subsequent dictionaries built upon his efforts, reflecting the ongoing evolution of linguistic exploration in the archipelago. The appearance of the first dictionary in Indonesia, with Ruel's work at its forefront, marked the commencement of systematic language documentation in the region. This legacy persists in contemporary efforts to preserve and study Indonesia's rich linguistic heritage. In summary, the first dictionary in Indonesia, crafted by Albert Cornelius Ruel, stands as a testament to the historical intersection of cultures and the need for effective communications in a diverse linguistic landscape. Ruel's pioneering work laid the groundwork for subsequent lexicographical endeavors, contributing to the linguistic tapestry of Indonesia.